Madam Chairman, I have a question. I'm in possession of emails that are coming into our assembly from outside the assembly and inside the assembly from an organization that introduces themselves as Reformed Nazarenes. My personal experience with this group across the past 12 years is that they are minimally, if even, connected to the Church of the Nazarene. They have been very divisive in the lives of many of our leaders. Their purporting with half-truths and innuendo has destroyed many young pastors as well as older pastors. I've been the personal object of their attack along with many of my friends. As we are receiving that, I feel like I have a moral obligation to our delegates who are coming into the United States that have no 12-year history with this particular group, to say to them, this is an organization which deals in half-truth and attack and is significantly divisive. My question is, what should I do about that?
Thank you for your question.